College Benifibro Session Part te kecumtip namta kirizol kibal apremi mentaksni poka MPSC Mekla Public Service Commission jong artli pus kata jong ka primary investigator / computer under the Directorate of Economics and Statistics December 2024 te itu gibala bantu exam secek no irumba jong de te namta ka primary investigator kidon hadu arp khndaingut kiba pass ane qualify syaka personal interview te sa kanmau ban page itu kiba lektor namta kan exam but kiba pas koi par result ade jongka field assistant the result screen of the field assistant kane bade kidon hadu sau prangut kiba qualify namta kane tes kanmau ban check gine bro artali result te sampai yang ne jrong the result of the screening test to the post of primary investigator / computer under the Directorate of Economics and Statistics December 2024 on the held on 26 April 2025 is hereby declared candidate bearing the following roll number kini roll number apo ada ibro kidon hadu arp khandai ngode kiba qualify sedang roll number lai WR ter hadu pra Andrew Sanway malas tegine ki katang joki roll number joki candidate pela qualify tisakan mawan check. The personal interview will be held on 27 June. Ini arsnya again pelong your personal interview 26 and 27 June at 10:30 AM in the office of MPSC Lower Lachmer. Te sakan mau ban download biang ya ka intimation letter nam taban lek saka personal interview. Te hangneru imat gidon ki sports person te ladap tho han hapo but only those who have represented the state at the international, national and regional level in discipline list in the Olympic. Tang itu gi belada listed di hapo Olympic tang itu gi ki khen sports person lanyang ta kinom khen re te sakan mau ban check banda ayuha te hode jongka field assistant break nek mengalar bang ba kidon hadu sau prangut ba qualify the result screening test to the post of field assistant under the Directorate of Economics and Statistics December 2024 held on 19 April 2025 is hereby declared candidate bearing the following number are declared to have qualified for the personal interview. Tila dep ayah naik roll number kiba qualify nam taka personal interview sedang roll number R pra ter saulai kendai ter hadu balas du boyo day 10493 sekan mau check teka personal interview nam taka ne kande shiterik artrik laiterik jumlah Julai arjapsan shipo shiteng hapo office MPSC te sekan mau ban download no ya ka sa download ya ka intimation letter napo official website megrecruitment.nic.in te tangkat nehi ke jumpetip habe debat kini te gitu kiba ale bha ka result te check yo roll number la de don name te all the best namta kini ki candidate kiba qualify bat men post ka personal interview te sale bha sa ka personal interview bat ba pila ban yo ya kini ki post belai te tangkat nehi ke jumpetip krishbon